Fathom Analytics and Amplitude, two giants in web analytics, both making big promises. Which one really delivers? On the left, Fathom Analytics, famous for privacy and simplicity. On the right, Amplitude, the powerhouse for deep user insights. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real differences. We'll score them in crucial categories and reveal who truly comes out on top by the end. The winner for your business in 2025 might surprise you. Okay, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let me show you a quick mind map of everything we'll compare today. Price, features, privacy, target market, and integrations. Basically, these are the things that, honestly, end up mattering most when you're choosing an analytics tool. Ready? Let's get into it. All right, let's kick things off with price. Fathom Analytics is pretty transparent here, with clear pricing and even some decent discounts if you pay annually. You won't really find any hidden fees. But hey, if you're hoping for a super generous free plan, Fathom's a bit limited. Now, Amplitude does have a free tier, and that's always cool to have if you just want to dabble. But their pricing, it's not the easiest to figure out, and honestly, if you need more features, prepare for extra charges. If you want straightforward, Fathom wins here. Subtly, but still a win. Moving on to features. So here's where things get spicy. Fathom is all about privacy and simplicity. It's super easy to use, especially if you don't want to wade through loads of graphs and charts. Perfect if you just want the basics. But if you're after things like A/B testing or deep funnel analysis, you might feel a little, limited here. Now, Amplitude? Oh, and here's where it shines. Advanced analytics, A/B testing, funnels, you name it. The only catch? It's almost overwhelming if you're just starting out. But if you're a data nerd, Amplitude's got you covered. In terms of features, Amplitude takes the crown. Let's talk privacy. This is a big one these days. Fathom Analytics, they don't mess around. They don't track any personal data, and they're super strict about privacy laws. So, if GDPR makes your head hurt, Fathom keeps things easy. Amplitude, though, is more of a mature analytics tool, but it does collect more personal info. So if privacy is high on your list, Fathom's hands down the winner here. Honestly, quick fact while we're at it, did you know Fathom Analytics is super popular, especially among folks who want to keep their visitors' privacy in check? It's almost their secret sauce. Target market is kind of an underrated factor. Fathom is honestly a gem for small businesses that care about privacy. But if you're a massive enterprise team, you might feel they don't have all the bells and whistles to support you, especially at scale. Amplitude, on the other hand, is built for bigger businesses and has way more robust enterprise options. It's less friendly for tiny businesses just getting started, especially if privacy is your main concern. For most folks watching, I think Fathom edges ahead for being small biz friendly. Last category, integrations. Fathom does have some essentials, so if you're hooking up a newsletter or e-commerce platform, you're mostly good. But compared to Amplitude, it's a bit limited. Amplitude goes all in on integrations. If you have a bunch of tools and data sources, you're covered. But heads up, some of these integrations can need a bit of technical know-how. So for the real integration geeks, Amplitude takes this round. Okay, visual time. Imagine a radar chart. You'd see Fathom spiking on price, privacy, and small business support, while Amplitude dominates on advanced features and integrations. It's actually kind of interesting how these two carve out their own space. So, to wrap it up, if you care about privacy and keeping things super simple, I'd say Fathom Analytics is probably your best bet. But if you need to geek out over data, want robust analytics, and have the resources to set up all those integrations, Amplitude is the way to go. Want to keep exploring? Go check out some more analytics tools before you decide. Seriously, find what fits your business. Discover the one that actually ticks your boxes, and don't settle for less.